Need to call out garbage in the form of the game. The target tonight, Wisconsin Republican Senator Ron Johnson. To CNN and his local paper, he says stuff like, "My statements are consistent. I'm not a climate change denier." Then our K-File team finds this when he's back home at a Republican women's lunch, when you speak the truth.
I don't know about you guys, but I think climate change is, as Lord Moncton said, okay? And by the way, it is.
Sounds like a denier, no? Just a month ago. Climate change, it doesn't have a chance. When a pandemic can be ignored, and January 6th could be called a group of terrorists by this same guy. Now, many see Johnson as just selling stupid. I see something worse. I know this guy. I remember him when he came to the Senate, a businessman. And he said, "I don't know anything about this politics. I'm just here to make things happen, just to make deals, find progress." He wanted to come on my show and show economic theories and principles and do charts to justify policies. Now he's this. This is how he responds to a heat wave gripping North America, almost 100 dead in Oregon. It is obvious what he's doing wrong. He keeps doing it because that's the game. Whether it was in 2010 when he said, "I absolutely do not believe in the science of man-caused climate change," or when he's repeatedly tried to play dumb while suggesting that Greenland's name is enough to dismiss the climate crisis. He's saying it because it works, because that's what the game does, as long as you're willing to dumb down and divide. 6 in 10 Americans know that global warming is already happening, and that's with half the aisle trying to get you to deny science like they did with the pandemic. Republicans, the number is half that. This is the problem with the game. Half? Johnson knows the more you see the blue line on something like this go up, the more he's happy to stand in opposition. Never mind his home state is facing far-ranging consequences for the state's major economic sectors due to what? The reality of climate change. I bet you if Congress serves up money to help states like that, Johnson's going to want some. Well, I thought it didn't exist. That's the game.